Hi, welcome back. Today I want to show you this inside of the Zaner-Bloser Handwriting. This is level 2, so this is 2nd grade. The M means it's manuscript. If it has a C, it's cursive, but we didn't get cursive this year, so I just have manuscript. I like to buy the package that has the Practice Masters and the regular handwriting book in it. So let's see what's inside. You do not need a teacher's manual for handwriting. The nice thing about Zaner-Bloser is you can buy multiple versions of the same year that are just different editions, so they have different covers. So if your kid needs more practice with their handwriting, or if they went fast through their book and you want to keep them at the same level, you can buy the same level with a different cover. So this one is, let's see, a 2020 version. So again, this is the main one. The main one's going to be colorful. It starts with a table of contents. Each page has a stop and check where you circle the best letter that you did. You can scan these QR codes and find a little video about how to write the different letters and things. The pretest, having you write these little poems, paper position page. So if you're right-handed, you hold it like this. Left-handed, you hold it at an angle. Basic strokes. Now this is a little bit more advanced in 1st grade. You start writing words right away instead of having pictures where you just make lines, which is great. It should be more difficult at a higher level. Not that this is a difficult book to do. It looks like I think these are a little bit smaller. I batch my YouTube videos when my husband takes kids out camping, so just did this one. Yeah, so you can see the lines for 2nd grade are a bit smaller than the lines for 1st grade, which is great. They have handwriting in the real world, so calendar stuff, answering questions on the calendar, writing the addresses for the houses, a little story, a writing web, an email, cool things in here. And then you evaluate, so you write the same poems you did in the front at the end of the year, or whenever you finish the book. So that's cool. Okay, so then here's the Practice Master. It's perforated. So I'm guessing it's for maybe public schools, so you can just take it out and take copies, or with your own kids if they're having a hard time with a certain letter. So you have the basic strokes and vertical lines, diagonal lines, the digital tutor again with the QR codes. tear it apart and then put it in plastic page protectors and then put it in a binder. I've done that for the Kumon books, like the early ones for letters and numbers. I might end up doing that, and I could just say, hey, go practice your U's. The book this son is for, the son this book is for, always writes his U's as V's. I don't know why, but it drives me crazy. And some fun things like trace the shaded letters. Certificate. And this one also has the record of the kids, of their students' handwriting skills. And then the manuscript alphabet, which is just gorgeous. Very easy to read. And then details on how to write each letter and number. All right, I'll leave a link below. Please like and subscribe and tell me what you love to use for second grade handwriting.